In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this image by using Blender and Stable Diffusion XL. Here is a simple mesh created by extruding the faces of a cube. Please use cycles with 768 by 768 resolution without the denoise and composite nodes, and also set the background strength to 0.5. We need to use an orthographic camera for game object renders. I'll show you how the mesh was created from a cube. I have sliced the cube in half in edit mode by using a Ctrl+R shortcut for a loop cut. In edit mode, let's select the side faces and type E to extrude, S to scale, and R to rotate. Let's render the sword mesh and import it to Stable Diffusion. I'll create a depth map and generate a new image by setting the preprocessor to none, and selecting the correct depth model. Here are the results. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.